Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and suddenly every single task on your to-do list just melts away. You're getting more done before 10 a.m. than most people do all day, and it feels almost illegal. Here's the twist. Most productivity advice is wrong. Wake up early? Make a to-do list? Those barely scratch the surface. Follow those hacks blindly, and you'll still end the day exhausted, frustrated, and wondering why everyone else seems to get so much done. Today, I'm going to show you a completely different approach, rooted in science, psychology, and real human behavior. By the end of this video, your day won't just be productive. It'll feel like you hacked reality. Why should you care? Because productivity isn't just about checking boxes, it's about freedom. Every hour wasted is an hour you could spend learning, building, or simply enjoying life without stress. Here's a fact. Our brains aren't naturally designed for constant productivity. Trying to force it with willpower alone is like pushing a boulder uphill. Inefficient and exhausting. The smarter way? Structure your day so productivity flows naturally, almost like gravity is doing the work for you. Ever try grinding through tasks only to stare at your screen for hours, feeling guilty and drained? That's because you're ignoring your brain's natural peaks and troughs. Your peak hours are when focus, creativity, and problem-solving are at their best. Schedule high-stakes work for these periods. Think of it like a battery. Don't try to run high-energy tasks on empty. Studies show that aligning work with natural energy cycles can make you up to 30% more efficient. But here's the thing. Energy alone isn't enough. Even at your peak, distractions can steal your productivity. That's why designing your environment is critical, and it's the missing piece most people ignore. You sit down, and immediately your phone buzzes, a text pops up, maybe the cat walks across your keyboard. Suddenly, 40 minutes vanish. The solution? Design your environment to fight distraction. Remove visual clutter, create focus zones, maybe even use noise-canceling headphones. Think of it like hiking. Smooth, clear trail lets you move fast, but a messy, obstacle-filled path slows you to a crawl. Neuroscience shows that clutter increases stress and decision fatigue, reducing cognitive performance by up to 30%. Even with a perfect environment, though, your mind can wander. That's why micro-sprints, the next strategy, are surprisingly powerful. We all think longer work equals more done, but 2 hours straight at your desk often ends in burnout and distraction. Instead, try micro-sprints, 25-45 minutes of focused work, followed by a short break. Your brain engages fully, rests briefly, then hits the next round stronger. Picture your neural pathways as hiking trails. Short, frequent hikes create well-trodden, efficient paths, while long, exhausting treks often leave you lost in the underbrush. Studies show micro-sprints increase focus and retention by up to 30% compared to continuous work. And micro-sprints have a hidden multiplier, one most people miss, which comes from prioritizing the right tasks. Quick reminder, drop a comment if you're enjoying this. It's easy to feel busy all day but achieve nothing because your energy went into low-impact tasks. Instead, focus on the 20% of tasks that produce 80% of your results. These high-leverage tasks are what actually move the needle. Imagine watering a garden. Pouring water on weeds does nothing, but focusing on the roots of your flowers helps them grow faster and stronger. Top performers spend the majority of their time on these high-leverage tasks, not busy work. Combine this with micro-sprints, and your output becomes far more efficient. Even with all these techniques, it's easy to lose steam mid-week. The secret? Rituals. Morning routines, transition cues, and end-of-day reflections create psychological triggers that automatically cue focus, reducing the constant need for decision-making. Habits are like muscles. Once strong, they perform automatically, leaving energy for new challenges. Research shows consistent daily rituals can increase long-term productivity by 25-35% without extra effort. Let's recap. You've learned to ride your natural energy, optimize your environment, sprint strategically, focus on high-impact tasks, and lock momentum with rituals. By layering these methods, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. Focus flows naturally, decisions feel lighter, and results compound faster than ever. Here's your challenge. Tomorrow, pick one task and apply all 5 pillars. Track how it feels. Ask yourself, could this day feel illegal if you consistently follow this system? Because here's the truth. Productivity isn't magic, it's a system. And when you understand it, impossible days become your new normal. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and join the fun.